Hello students, now we will discuss about new topic Pisces. This belongs to superclass. Superclass taxon. Pisces is again classified into three different classes. They are termed as first one Placodermi, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. So Pisces is classified into three classes. One Placodermi, second one Chondrichthyes, third one Osteichthyes. Placodermi, these are extinct fishes. Fishes basically, they are arrived or evoluted during the period of Devonian period in evolution. When we are reading about evolution, we have few terms, the eras, the periods that they have been evolved in. Fishes are considered to be evolved in Devonian period. So that time period is considered as golden period for fishes or golden period of fishes. So first one, Placodermi. These fishes are extinct fishes, and they are available in form of fossils. So we can also say they are fossil fishes or fossil form of fishes. Their body is having bony plates, and these Placodermi fishes are considered to be first freshwater fishes. Example for Placodermi is Clymatis, first jawed fish. Next class is Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes are cartilaginous fishes. These are also called as elasmobranchi. So Chondrichthyes class of fishes are also termed as elasmobranchi. Next, they are exclusively marine fishes. They are exclusively marine fishes, and endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. So they are called as cartilaginous fishes. Notochord is present throughout life. Along with vertebral column and jaws, this notochord also it persists once it is evolved during the embryonic stage, but it persists throughout life. The type of scales of these chondrichthyes are termed as placoid shaped scales. Scales are of placoid type. Placoid type means this shaped scales. Are present in case of chondrichthyes. So this term is given in your NCERT, so have to remember. Next, teeth are modified into this placoid. You can write placoid type of scales, or scales are modified teeth. Next, pairs of gills are 5 to 7 in number. Gills are 5 to 7 in number. Next, mouth is on ventral surface with head, jaw, and means jaw is very much powerful, and these fishes are predaceous. Mouth is on ventral surface with powerful jaws. So since they are having powerful jaw, they are also termed as predaceous. Means they depend on other organs. Means they are very good hunters, we can say. Next, gills are covered by operculum. Operculum is a bony flap-like structure that covers the gill slits. Is covered by or have operculum. Operculum is a covering on the gill slits. Next, due to absence of air bladder, they have to swim continuously to avoid sinking of their body. So they do not have only the air bladders. They have well developed lung system. Air bladders are absent. So they have to swim continuously to avoid sinking. They have at the intestinal area some special structure called as scroll valve or spiral valve. What is use of that structure? It increases the absorption area of the intestine. We can say it increases the surface area of the intestine. Intestine has scroll valve or spiral valve. It increases surface area of the intestine. Spiral valve means if this is the intestinal tube, then the spiral valve structure is like this. It increases surface area of absorption for nutrients. Next, they have cloacal aperture. We know that cloaca is the common excretory outpour for digestive system, excretory system, and a reproductive system. So they have cloacal aperture. You can say cloacal aperture is present. Next, they have a special structures on the dorsal side of the head that is called as ampulla of Lorentz. So what is use of this? It is considered as a electroreceptor organ. So on a dorsal side of body, they have, so it produces some of the electricity that sometimes is used as defense mechanism for fishes. They have electroreceptor organ. Next, liver is considered as, this is also called as ampulla of Lorentz. Liver is bilobed. Male fishes have some extra structures called as claspers. These claspers are used during reproduction or during copulation period. So if this is a fish, On the means ventral side, during at the opening of the cloacal aperture, there are some structures like this. Like this. These are called as claspers. Actually, we don't need the diagram, just to understand what are claspers. Claspers are present only in male fishes that are used during copulation time. Fertilization is internal and they do not have larval forms, and they are considered as chondrichthyes or elasmobranchi fishes are considered as viviparous, means they give directly birth to the babies. They will not lay eggs. So fertilization is internal. They are viviparous, means they give directly birth to the baby. They do not lay eggs. So, what are examples under chondrichthyes or elasmobranchi fishes? So one more point we will write. They are considered as poikilotherms or cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals or poikilotherms are those which change their body temperature according to surroundings. Now we will see examples of chondrichthyes. Examples are Scoliodon, one fish, Pisces, Trigon, Torpedo, next Carcharodon, next Chimeria. Now, there are some common names for these types of examples. Scoliodon is also called as common Indian shark, or it is also called as dogfish. Next, coming to Pisces. This is also called as sawfish, means mouth is extended and it is having some, see, if mouth is extended like this, so a mouth is having some saw-like teeth arrangement. So fishes are having acrodont. Acrodont means they are not fitted, means in deep into the jaws. Such type of teeth are called as acrodont. So here the teeth of fish is, they look like a saw. So they are called as sawfish. Next, coming to Trigon. Trigon is also called as stingray fishes. Stingray. These are also called as poison stings also. Means why the name, they have a poisonous sting. This poisonous sting is present on dorsal side of the body. On dorsal side. Next coming to torpedo. So this is not torpedo. This is torpedo. Torpedo type of fish. This is also called as electric ray. There is an electric organ that is found, which is modified muscle. So it gives some shock-like nature when we touch that electric organ. So it is also called as electric of fish. So how much volts of electricity is released? Means 100 to 400 volts of electricity. So it is also called as electric ray. has electric organ. This electric organ, it releases 100 to 400 volts of current. So we feel some current shock like feeling. Next, Carcharodon. Carcharodon is also called as great white shark. Mostly from this subtopic, examples and the extra structures that they are having is being framed into match the following type of questions. So examples in this chapter totally is very much important. Next is a chimera. Chimera is also called as ratfish or king of herrings, or it is also sometimes called as ghost fish. Ratfish or ghost fish or king of herrings. So this chimera is considered as connecting link between osteichthyes and chondrichthyes. Means connecting link between bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. So in this case of chimera, cloaca is absent like that of bony fishes. Here we have seen there is an cloacal aperture, but in case of chimera, it is absent. That can be considered as one of the osteichthyes type of fishes character. So we are telling it is a connecting link between osteichthyes, that is bony fishes, and chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. These are few important points regarding class Placodermi, which are extinct fossil fishes, and chondrichthyes, nothing but cartilaginous fishes.